In today's episode, we're doing some Christmas decorating. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm doing, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, everyone. I am Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now, today I'm hosting my annual Winter Fireplace Decor Collaboration. Now, this is my 7th year hosting this, and I really love decorating my fireplace. Now, my host for this collaboration is Jill of Jill Style. Now, I know you know Jill because the girl has a style. I love the way she decorates and her dressing. The girl be style, and she gives your sister here some ideas. Now, today I'm not going to be doing a whole lot of walking and moving because, as you know, I did mess up my knee and I'm limited on a lot of walking. So I have my niece, Kayla. Now, I know some of you have seen Kayla in other videos. This is my big little niece, okay? Yeah, you get the big little niece thing, yeah. She's 18. She's a senior this year. I'm very proud of this girl and what she's accomplished. Both of my nieces have really made me proud this year on everything they're doing to graduation to go to college. Now, Kayla's going to be my legs today, and she's going to be decorating the fireplace mantle for me. Now, you will hear my voice occasionally in there as I'm telling her how to put things up or where to move things to, but she has style of her own. So let's stop talking and let's also listen to the music on the screen. My sister has a new album, so I want you to hear the music, and we'll talk about that in more detail at the end of the video. So let's get to decorating.
Kept there watching over silent flocks by night. Behold, through the heavens there shone a holy light. So go, tell it on the mountain, over the hill, everywhere.
Okay, we had a little mix up with the bells, but I was going to use ribbon. The ribbon wouldn't go through the bells right, so we changed it to pipe cleaners, gold pipe cleaner. Now, what I had my niece do earlier was take a string, going down to the next spot. I had her take a string and run it from one end of the fireplace to the other so that we could hook the bells onto the fireplace. Don't worry, we have something that's going to go over that so you won't see the top of the rope. It'll be hidden. So just keep a lookout. She's very good at doing this, guys. She likes to decorate, so I think she gets as much fun out of this as I do. So I'm going to stop talking and we're just going to get it done.
God sent his son just for me and you. You ought to go tell it. Let his peace and love guide you through. You ought to go tell it. Just go tell it. Yeah, go. Just go tell it. Yeah. You Jesus Christ is born. Whoa, whoa. Tell it. You ought to go tell it. You ought to go tell it. Just go tell it. Just go tell it. Just go tell it. Just go tell it. 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 Go, go, go tell it. Go tell it. Over the hills and everywhere. Go, go, go tell it. Jesus. Oh, go, go, tell it. Hey, go tell it. Just go tell it. Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go, go tell it on the mountain. Jesus Christ is born. While shepherds kept their watching over silent flocks by night, behold, through the heavens there shone a holy light. So go, 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 go tell it. tell it on the mountain. Jesus Christ is born. Whoa, whoa. Tell it. You ought to go tell it. You ought to go tell it. Just go.
Here's an overall look of the mantle this year. I'm keeping it very simple, as you see. So I'm gonna go up close. Now the bells, those bells came from the Dollar Tree. There were 9 in a pack for $1.25. And then I have the candlestick holders that I purchased from Temu a while back. The white candles also came from Amazon. The faux fur came from the Amazon. It was purchased years ago, along with the beaded white garland that looks like ice. The gold reindeers, they were thrifted years ago from Goodwill. So everything on here I already had in my stash. But in the center is something that I'm really proud of. My sister, if you don't know, she's a gospel artist. And this is her new song that's coming out for Christmas. It's Go Tell It on the Mountain. Now she has an up-tempo to it and she's changed the words around a little bit, but I know you will like it because, okay, it's my sister. Okay, of course you're gonna like it, yeah. So I've seen a lot of people featuring Silent Night or Oh Holy Night. And I thought, why don't I help my sister and share her beautiful work on my video? So I put her song, Go Tell It in the Mountain. I printed off the words. And that's the song you've been listening to through this whole video, is her song, her redemption of Go Tell It on the Mountain. I'm very proud of my sister and what she's accomplished with her singing career. She will have her music on Spotify. I'll have the information for her song down below in the description. And I know you didn't think I forgot the twist. Now, in the twist of this collaboration, the twisters add at least 1 pine cone. So I put 1 on each end of the music. So I didn't forget the twist, guys. So here's an overall look of my winter fireplace decor. I want to remember to thank my beautiful niece Kayla for all her help of putting this together. Now let me know what you think of my decor down below. You know I love reading your comments. Don't forget to go and check out the other participants. The link is down below, and we will see you in the next episode.